Randall's Selfie-Style HVAC Training Videos presents this tech tip video with technical trainer Randall S. Ripley. Putting the Goodman and Amana A or GMVM97 fully modulating gas furnace into high fire mode. High fire mode is necessary for gas pressure testing and fine-tuning during commissioning of the unit. As you can see, I have put pictures in here of where the outlet pressure port is and where the inlet pressure port is. The inlet pressure port is a little more difficult to get at when the gas valve is in the actual position it would need to be in to put the door back on. There are two ways available to put the unit into high fire test mode or to set and or check any menu option on the furnace. As you can see, there's many furnace options here. This list of menu options with the explanations can be found in your installation and operation manual. The Cool Cloud app, you can download the Cool Cloud app to your phone. It comes in Android or Apple. You can find that at your store for the type of phone that you have, whether it's an Android or an Apple. You create an account to get started, and you log in where you have a cell signal or Wi-Fi connectivity. The other method is to use the left, center, right push buttons below the 3 7-segment LED lights, and you see those highlighted in red with red dots over them. The left button is for scrolling backwards. The right button is for scrolling forward. The center button is for selecting. Keep in mind, only small variations in gas pressure should be made by adjusting the gas valve pressure regulator. The manifold pressure must be measured with the burners operating. To measure and adjust the manifold pressure, consult your installation and operation manual. Since it's necessary to have power to the board, but the blower access door has to be removed, you will need something to hold the door switch closed. For me, it's my magnetic stud finder. This is the best tool for holding the door switch closed that I have ever found. Now let's move over to the demonstration furnace. If you are not one that wants to use use the app to set this unit up, and you want to check your gas pressure on high fire, this GMVM97 doesn't have a press and hold the fault code button for a certain amount of, a double tap in a certain amount of seconds, and it will send it into, a high fire test mode. So you have to go into this and set the GPT menu. So from the idle mode, you have to be in the idle mode, no call on the thermostat, in order to set up any of these menus. And you will use the left, center, and right scroll buttons. The left and right buttons are scroll through, center is select, and then pressing any two will bring you back to idle. So we will scroll right until we find the GPT. And there's GPT. So we select it, and its default is no. It doesn't want to be in the test fire mode. So we're going to scroll right, and we're going to find yes, and we're going to select that. And now we're back to the GPE, and we are going to let this test fire. And as you can probably see or hear, the inducer motor is on. So this will take you to high fire. This unit doesn't have gas connected to it. It's just a test mode, a test unit that we use to set this equipment up. But this will run in this mode until you go back in and turn it off. So we'll select that. We'll go back in and put no and select it. We're back out. We press because we're done checking our gas pressure. and we go back to idle, and that's how simple the test is. Thanks for watching. You can watch all of my tech videos at the address below, and notice the name of the channel will be changing soon. If you like the channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Until next time.